Hi everyone, welcome back to Pam's Wig Adventure. And today is Monday and I am wearing Kris with a K, K-R-I-S, from the Jaclyn Smith collection. She is B3324 Auburn Sugar. Can you see that? Beautiful color, very beautiful. Can you see? She's got some highlights in there. Nice, beautiful. It's not too auburny. She's got some bangs. Let's take a look at the cap. Okay, she has a basic front, no lace or anything. Basic wefting. The ear tabs are real small in there, just open ear tabs. The hair on it there. We have the Velcro as always, no extended nape. And as far as stretch, very stretchy. Very stretchy. And that's it for the cap. And so, let's start to see what this baby is gonna look like. So first, you know the drill. Gotta shake her up. Okay. And let's put her on. And make sure she's really tight underneath my wig grip back there. Oh, this is pretty. This color is gorgeous. Okay, I noticed I should have done, actually, let me do this first. She had a little bit of, you see the part here? She had a little bit of crisscross part, so I'm gonna just pick at that a little bit. I'm just kind of taking the pick and putting it both ways to try to get that out. And I think she's got a little bit of permatease up there, so I wanna just kind of comb some of that out. I don't know if you could just see, just kind of picking that both ways. I don't know how that did. Yeah, I think that looks a little better. We'll figure it out in here when I put her on. Yeah. Let's see how she wants to go. That's a little better. Okay, let's try her again. Okay, and I'm gonna grab onto the ear tabs, make sure that it's right. It does have little pieces of metal in there, so there are stays, even though the, okay, and let's put her right where she needs to go. Okay. Okay, so let's get some water on her. Oh, this is pretty. And let's see what she has for permatease in here. Definitely feel permatease all around. Lots of permatease in here. I don't know, this past week, I haven't been wanting it as fluffy as I normally do. All right, this cap is a little big on me here. Yeah, I think I'm gonna cinch it in a little bit. We're gonna pull this in a little bit. This one has a lot of stretch, so this is, I would say this is definitely large head friendly. I am a 21.5 circumference, so I definitely had to cinch that in a little bit. Probably not gonna, yeah, this is, you see how it is. Hopefully you can't tell much. So I may have to sew this on the inside if it bothers me too much today. And Beth in our Paula Young wig group channel did a really good video on how to do that. All right, so gonna have to trim the bangs a little bit. I did bring my scissors. Let me make sure that I've got it right where it's supposed to be. So I want it right there. Okay. So what I'm going to do, got some long pieces here. I'm gonna take these out, these long pieces. And I'm just going to do this. So I don't want to touch these. And I don't want to touch these. So let's see, we got that. So I'm gonna do this first. And I'm just gonna do a very, very, very small amount. Just to see. I did it on an angle, okay? And then, that was still too long. Okay, so I think what I want to do is just, yeah, no, that's still too long. All right, so we're gonna do it one more time. Okay, I'm just gonna do it on an angle. Okay, that's a little better. I think that's good. Yep, that's gonna give me what I want there. And then I'm just gonna do a little bit of this. Right there. And just a little bit on this one right here. Okay, so that should fix the bangs for me. Okay. Now that I got hair all over my face. Okay, so let's take these out. She's really cute. This color is gorgeous. We got no waves today, but that's okay. I don't need curl. I'm not that crazy about hair. You know what I'm gonna do? I'm gonna just do a little, actually I think I'm gonna use this one today. I've got the Batiste, the dark hair one. I think I'm gonna spray some of that today. Okay, just rub some of that in. Okay. Okay, I think I'm good with her today. I don't think I want to do anything else to Kris. What do you guys think? This is Kris in Auburn Sugar. Maybe put a little bit behind my ears. This looks a little bit like, what's her name that I just wore on Saturday? Who did I wear on Saturday? Delilah. She looks similar to Delilah. But I like her. I like her. What do you guys think? All right, this is Kris from the Jaclyn Smith collection from Paula Young in Auburn Sugar. And I think we're a go for today. I don't want to put too much product in if I don't need to. I think she's got enough lift. And actually, I think the only other thing I have the Rene Fiber Loving Holding Spray, and that's listed down below too. Just gonna spray that a little bit, just a tiny bit, just to see if I can keep, yeah, just keep the, okay. This is it today for Kris. All right, that's it, folks. Let me see, I got one little piece right here. I should cut these a little shorter, but I think I'm gonna leave it. Maybe I'll trim it up tonight if I don't like how it sounds all day. All right. That's it. Thanks for stopping by. I will check back in tonight to let you know how she wore today. You know, with this cap being a little heavier, you know, how did it feel? Did it feel too loose? Did it bother me all day? And I will show you my outfit at the end of the day. These are my earrings I have on today. And yeah, so that's it. This is Kris in Auburn Sugar. All right, folks, thanks for stopping by. I hope you're having a wonderful day, and I will check back in tonight. Bye. Everyone, here's the end of the night recap. This was the outfit of the day. That was it. As far as how she wore, she definitely is a little big, you know, in the cap back here. So I do think that I'm going to have to sew her, because it just felt, I felt like I had to pull it down more, and that might be now the reason. It may not be the cap. Maybe that all the other ones fit better. But this one here, I did have to, you know, I felt like I had to keep pulling her down. So this cap here, and you see, I have a lot of, I don't know if you can see me as good. I have a lot of space back here. So I think I'm going to have to sew the cap. But otherwise, she was really cute. My coworker, she loves to see what I come in new every day. Definitely, she definitely looked very similar to Delilah that I wore on Saturday. And yeah, but this was Kris. She was really cute. I loved the color. I loved the look. I loved how, you know, she went today with the outfit. But yeah, so that was my recap for today. And thank you so much for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and we'll see you tomorrow. Hope everyone had a good day. Bye.